Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today I'm going to show you a very easy steamed chicken dish using only 7 ingredients. So let's start cooking. Now we are going to marinate our chicken leg. I have with me over here 2 pieces of boneless chicken leg, approximately 480 grams, kind of small pieces like this. You can use, of course, chicken breast or bone-in chicken, thigh or chicken drumstick, no problem at all. Add in 10 grams of young ginger, julienne, 3 cloves of garlic, chopped finely like this, 2 tablespoons of light soya sauce. I'm using the low sodium soya sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. We'll mix this up well first. After you mix them up well, we'll add in 1.5 tablespoons of corn flour or cornstarch. Mix them up well again. This is an extremely easy dish to do, and normally when I'm working from home, this is one of my go-to dish if I'm busy and having a lot of meetings on that day. Finally, we'll add in 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. If you like to have a little bit of peppery taste, you can always add in pepper if you want to. Once you have mixed this up well, we'll marinate this in the fridge for approximately 1 to 2 hours. Always remember, before you steam this, take this out from the fridge and let it rest to room temperature for at least half an hour or so. I'll see you back in a while. Now we are going to steam our chicken. I'm going to show you 2 ways how we do it. One is a very simple way of using your rice cooker. You can cook your rice. These are raw rice which I have not cooked yet. Put in a steamer, put in the chicken, close it up, and we'll cook this now. We'll cook our rice as per normal. And when the rice is cooked, the chicken will be done too. The rice is cooked, and I believe the chicken also. Let's have a look. Yes, it's done. Time to remove it, add some spring onion, and we'll have our lunch. Now we're going to steam our chicken over the stove. Boil a pot of water. Make sure the water is boiling. Medium heat will be good. Put your chicken on top of a steamer and we'll let this steam for approximately 10 to 12 minutes. I'll see you back in a while. We have been steaming the chicken for approximately 12 minutes now and it's done. Very nice. Turn off the heat and sprinkle a little bit of spring onion on top. And there you have it. A very simple and delicious dish. Let's enjoy our lunch now. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. Super tender chicken. I need some of the sauce on my rice. Let's try the rice with the sauce first. Very good with steamed rice. The chicken, very tender and very juicy. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.